Hi guys, Michael from Polaris here. We're just showcasing a pair of 200 hinges on, this is bar fencing from Glass Outlet. So we have adapter plates that fix to the hinge, and then so we can then fix to this 25mm thick post. But this, I just wanted to show you the new enclosure for the dampeners. So we've got a little cap that goes over the top. The dampener's obviously inside there. We've got 3 different strength dampeners, so it's easy to interchange, or even take one damper out and you can't tell. So it's good for stopping debris and dust and things like that getting in, and it's easily interchangeable.
Like many parts of Australia, things here are busy. Life goes like